Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can rotate an image in Google Sheets. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have opened my Google Sheets and as you can see, I have added my image to this document and I'm going to rotate this image. But when I right click on this image, there's nothing happen. And when I'm searching for the rotate option right here, there is no option to rotate my image. But don't worry guys, because here I want to show you how you can rotate this image. First of all, you can copy this image. You can click on Control and C on your keyboard or whatever, according to your type of a laptop or a computer. And then we're going to go to the insert and click on drawing. And I'm going to paste the image right here. Okay. And if we want to rotate it, we just need to use this handle. You can tap and hold on this handle just like that, and you're going to rotate it. Okay, now it's done. And then you can click on save and close. Okay, and this is the result guys. Alright guys, and that's all the way to rotate an image in Google Sheets. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.